It's me, Mario. That's not the voice. You'll have to wait to hear the voice.
It's me, Mario!
Yeah, it's your captain Maxifitcher on the deck. Now today I'll be focusing on Euro truck gears and how they work, the type of gears that are in trucks, and we'll do the practicals. Welcome. Basically that's what I'll be talking about today. Euro truck gears, that is in the trucks. Now we'll dive into it. Now in Euro truck there are 4 types of gear. That's the simple automatic, real automatic, sequential, and H shifter. I realize that some of you don't know how to use them, so I'll be explaining all of what you need to know about the gears. Now let's escape from the game, then go to my options, the game, then go to gameplay, and you will see the type of gears that are in Euro truck. Here they are: transmission types, that's the gear. As you can see, there are 1 simple automatic, 2, 3, and 4. Let's look at these simple automatic gears. These where the gears are just automatic, like when you press the acceleration key, the gear automatically shifts from neutral to 1, 2, progressively 12, or you have a truck that has 16 gears. Basically the game does all the work for you. We'll go for the practicals. Drive and go to camera 1. Start my engine. As you can see, the gear at the initial stages is gear 2, not neutral. Now when I accelerate, the gears automatically changed from A2 to A6, as you can see. Let me pause the video here. This one, from A2 to A6. Then when I accelerate more, then it moves forward. I want you to check it to see what I'm talking about. Look, it has changed to A8, A9, A10, and that's the simple automatic. The game does everything for you. Now I come to the real automatic. So I'll escape the game, then go to the setting, then change it to real automatic and talk about it a little bit. This one, real automatic, here it is. So it's already engaged. I'll talk about it just for a minute. It is the same as the simple automatic, except that you have to initialize the first gear using the shift key on your keyboard when playing. That is when you are using the keyboard. Okay. Now the gears are reduced using the control key. Now one surprising thing is that it is the same as the automatic cars that is in real life. Just set the gear to D and you are good to go. The rest the car will do for you. It is the same as in this game. You have to initialize the gear the gear using the shift key. I'll go back to the game and show you how it works. Now,
Time to get the job done.
I've turned on my engine.
Keep left.
Then I'll press accelerate key. You realize my truck cannot move, so I have to initialize the first gear using the shift key, and the rest the game will do for you. So I'll press shift, and as you can see, the gear automatically engages as the speed increases. And that's all about the real automatic. Now when I reduce the speed, you realize the gears will just moving down from 12 to 10 to 11 to 10 to 8, 9 to, when I stop it's A2. When I stop full it's A2. And yeah, that's all about the real automatic transmission system. And now I'm in the sequential type of transmission. It is the same as the manual automatic gear system in real life. That is, you have to engage each gear manually, unlike the real automatic where the game does all the gear engagement for you. It is achieved using shift and control keys on the keyboard. Shift to increase the gear and control or command key in Mac to reduce the gears. So I'll change the settings in my options, then gameplay. From real automatic to sequential, that's the manual gear. So start my engine. Note that the gears are in neutral, as you can see here, neutral. Now I have to engage using the shift key. Gear 1 I'm engaged, gear 2, gear 3, gear 4, gear 5, gear 6, gear 7, gear 8, gear 9, come to 10, 11, 12, and finally 12. That's the maximum that the track that I'm driving in has.
Keep right, and then exit right.
And likewise, when reducing, you have to press the control key. That's,
Go straight
as you
on.
can see, it has reduced. Since I want to negotiate a corner, so I have to reduce the gears.
Caution. Please mind the speed. Keep left.
And yeah, that's all about the sequential or the manual type of
Please watch the speed.
gear automatic transmission system. I'll go to the next type of transmission. And before you go further, I'll be talking how to engage the reverse gear when you are using the real automatic or sequential type of transmission. So let's say I'm using the gameplay. Let's say I'm using real automatic. And say I want to reverse my track. So what do? Remember, the down key, that is the decelerate, the brakes key, cannot work in this type of transmission together with the sequential type of transmission. So what do? I'm pressing the brakes and nothing is happening. So I need to control, and you can see my reverse is saying R1. That's reverse 1. Then I reverse. I'll need to press the control key, or rather the acceleration key, so that it can accelerate. Okay. For this type of for the two types of transmission, that's the real automatic and sequential, the deceleration key is rendered useless. Note that. Now I try to, and just wanted to inform you that when you want to move your track on reverse, you have to press the control key. And finally, I'll talk about the H shifter. For this, it cannot be achieved using the normal keyboard. You need to have the gaming devices. That's the H shifter. You need to attach the H shifter to your PC so that it can work. And remember to change it in the options. That's here, gameplay, then transmission type. You change it to H shifter. Let's take a look at it, if it will work, which I don't know if.
Let's do this.
As you can see, it cannot move. When I press shift, nothing will happen. When I press control, nothing will happen. So basically you have to attach the H shifter. I'll show you how it looks like. Here it is. And if possible, you can attach the steering wheel. That's the gaming type of steering. This is the whole setup. I'll show you. Yes, this one. And yeah, now about how it works, you have to read the manuals of the gaming device. That's the H shifter or the steering manuals. I wish I had one, but now I don't own any, so that I could show you how it works. Unfortunately, you have to leave it at that. Yeah, that's all about the 4 types of gears in Euro Truck Simulator 2. If you feel that this video is helpful, you can share. Please invite other people to see this type of content, and that will just boost this channel. That's all for today. See you next time. Bamboo, stick around.